Hey everyone, welcome to our first episode of Pimp My Pad by Chlorine King Pool Service. We're going to show you pads that we were asked to overhaul and show you the before and after and also some work in between. So let's go ahead and take a look at the first pad and show you what our first transformations looks like. So here's our first pad we're doing. There's a lot of stuff going on here. We're going to make it a lot more efficient and more practical. So we're going to go ahead and replace this pump here. We're also going to replace the filter. We're going to remove the salt cell and the salt system. It doesn't work. And down the road we're going to plumb a new one in, and we're going to replace the timer box as well. You know, just make this a lot more efficient. We're going to put a nice new pad down, level it out, and just make it ultra efficient and very pretty. So the equipment we're going to go with for this installation, we're going to go with the Pentair Superflow VS pump. We're going to save some money off a power bill. We're going to go with the Clean and Clear RP150 filter, which is going to give about 30% more filtration area. And then of course we're going to just go with the Intermatic T104 timer box assembly, the plastic version. And that's basically it. So we're going to go ahead and get started and get this pad done. Excited to show you the final product. The homeowner was thrilled. We gave her a lot more efficient pad, and here it is. So you can see we got rid of a lot of unnecessary loops and bends and all that stuff. We made this as efficient as possible with what we had. Got a nice dedicated Pentair 3-way diverter valve for a waistline to discharge water before the filter. Got a lot larger filter in place to filter the water more efficiently. We redid this return manifold a lot more efficiently with a lot better valves. This has a Polaris cleaner on it. So as you can see, it's a lot better than what it was, a lot more efficient. Now, especially now that we got this new Pentair variable speed pump in, the homeowner's going to save a lot of money on her power bill. And if you remember, there's a salt cell there. Replace the timer box, replace the conduit. You can see here that it's bonded and wired properly. So overall, I'm very happy with the product, and thank you for tuning in for this first installment of Pimp My Pad with Chlorine King. Have a great day.